Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you a method that you can try if you are facing this Onlinefix64 dll error. So for that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to open your browser and search for Onlinefix64 dll, and then you'll have to download the file. So as you can see, there are some websites here, ShareMods and dll.me. You can go in either. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on the website, and then you'll have to press on download. So it will download your file but first of all you'll have to select which file that you want, a 64 or other. So if you want 64 bits, press select, and then you'll have to deal with the ads and everything. Then you'll have to do the captcha here. So quickly do it. So after you do the captcha, press start download, and it will start downloading, and you will see your download in the top right corner of your browser. So what you'll have to do is once it finishes download, so once you download it, it will say that if you have a Windows Defender or any antivirus, it will say that it is a virus. So what you'll have to do is you have to unquarantine it. So if you're using Windows Security, as you simply go to your virus and threat protection, go to production history, and here you'll see your file. So what you'll have to do is you'll see this action tab at the bottom, press it and then press allow, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to unzip the file, and you'll see a Onlinefix64 dll file. You'll have to copy that file, and where do you paste it? You paste it to the location of the games that is you are having trouble running. So suppose I am having trouble running No Man's Sky, so right click on it, and then you'll have to go to the games location, or what you can do is you can open Steam and then right click on the game, and then go to properties, and then go to install files, and here you'll see the install location. Press browse, and here is the location. What you'll have to do is you'll have to simply right click and paste the Onlinefix64 dll file here, and it should fix your error. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.